What is up, guys? We are back with another video, and today we are going to show a new gun. I'm not going to show it yet until the video starts. Let's just hop in. Okay, so today we are reviewing the I just got this today, so I can't spell right. Well, it's hard to spell. Tropper. I just got this today, as I just said right there. So it was at Target. It's on like a shelf. So there's like the Nerf gun aisle, then you come out, and then you turn left. For you who will probably be right. Just that way, and you would see this gun up there, 2 guns. So if you want, you can get it. So I just opened this up, and I already think it's like the best gun ever. Not like the best gun, just a really cool gun. Kind of the best gun ever. And I am going to my baseball practice again, a game. And I got the game ball. I put my name on it. I just put it on there. So, I'm gonna give it to, I'm gonna let everybody like sign it with a Sharpie. That was really bad handwriting. I did. Look at how bad that is. And it's gonna, like, some of them really focus on baseball, and like they're really good at it, like me. And they like, if they be famous, this ball is gonna be, and everybody's gonna sign. Everybody on my team. And if they become famous one day, is gonna be millions of dollars. Millions. I knew that was gonna happen. Okay, so just back to the gun. If you roll off, you're gonna get payback. Okay, so shooting is gonna be at the end of the video like normal, and yeah. Okay, so let's get started with, let's get started with the old-fashioned, get to the video. Okay, I can see it through that. So we're gonna we're gonna view all this, like this, everything. Even the words, elite. It's in blue and black, that's all I gotta say. Okay, so, I don't know what to start with. There's like so many things. Let's start with this area right here. So like the magazine, the trigger, this is called the magazine if you guys didn't know. The magazine, the trigger, like this area. All this. Wish I could circle it, but no. What? Okay. So, mostly about this area is the trigger, big. I'm just going to talk about this area too. Actually, no. That's too much. So, this part. I don't know. I was going to say the middle area, but no. We're not focusing on this, we're focusing on this. So, as you can see right here, it says 12. And guess what it is? Wait, gotta shoot it so you guys don't see. Okay, and you have to shoot it and then pull it back and leave it there. Don't push it forward. Just keep it back like that. And then, do you see these 2? You could just press 1. And it falls out. You don't even have to hold 2, just 1. Look at that. Here. Yeah. 1 of them. Do you see that thing? Right here. Right there. It's like that flat space. And you press it. I'm pressing 1. Ready? Goes down, up, go down, up. Okay, so, yeah, to go around. And I am the only one making this video, so I don't got a cameraman. What's that look like? Oh, that's good. Okay. So we already got through. You gotta pull it back and keep it there. Then press these and the magazine will fall out. And I already have bolts in it ready, so I already shot it. I'm gonna load that back. And while I'm loading this, I'm gonna talk more about it. So, and about the magazine, mostly about the magazine right now. So it only holds 12 bullets, but it feels like it holds 100. Cause you shoot it and it's so fast and like strong, and you shoot so many, it feels like you're just shooting it over and over again, like there's infinite bullets put in it. Like you just keep boom, boom, boom. Wait, I'm gonna try to think from last video, the Scar video, how like it launched up and boom, it went up. That was cool. I don't think I could do that. Press, okay. Press, okay. Boom, okay, that's it. What? I missed and it fell off the ground. Okay, on the ground, not off the ground. Oh my gosh. I'm so getting confused today, I don't know why. Yo. That was just a random bullet I threw. I didn't shoot the gun. So, what about the magazine? You can see there's lines that surround it. Is which when you put it in, and this arrow is pointing that way, and you have to put it like in like this, where the bullets are facing whatever, like kitchen or something, I don't know, something you have in your house, like this. Boom, beep, and done. That's all you gotta do, just grab it, bang it in. Don't bang it or else it'll break. So, do not do this when you're playing a video. You would die. No, it's not loaded. Well, it is loaded, but, you know, the thing is not. And that's good. So, look, Delta Trooper. That's what it's called. Go read it right on the side. Oh, it's right there too. You can barely see that. There and there. So, now let's focus on this part. Well, we'll focus on all this, but not this or this, not this. What the heck? I shouldn't have did that. If that was real good, I would die. I would accidentally probably hit the trigger. Poof. So, the trigger. Let's get to the trigger and the handle. Look at this. It's like a shield instead of elite and strike. Probably you guys can't see it. It's right there. Okay. And it does have this chain thing. I wouldn't clip anything to it or else it'll break. Like, if you clip like a dinosaur to it, I'm gonna try it, but I don't want my tail to break. Yeah, if you clip anything to it, it's a really heavy gun. It would either snap or do this to your dinosaur. I broke it. I'm sad. Peace out. I missed. Oh, I broke the table. Say tail. Jack, say tail, not table. Okay. And look at this. Trigger. I'm not shooting. You have to push it back like this. Jam. I think there's a jam. I'm not going to show you this part because it's a part that we haven't got to yet. No jam, I think. Jam, yep, there's a jam. Okay guys, I can't get the bullet out. That's bad news. Definite bad news. Come on. not supposed to happen. Even though it did. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, come on. My hand's too big. Not small. Got it. Come on. More. Yay. Come out. Yay. Okay, so cover that up. Forward and we blocked the jam. We figured it out. We almost broke the bolt, but we're good. Okay. So I forgot. What were we talking about? Oh yeah. The trigger. You have to, it's ready to fire right now. I don't want to hit it. It's like a tug and it's like not going down fully. It's ready to fire because this is forward. If you pull it back, oh no, I have to shoot it. Down. What? Guys, the bullet disappeared. So you just pull it back. It's not firing. You have to push it back and okay, there's the bullet. Okay, so now we're going to focus on this part of the gun right here. This and this. Just here. This front part and this part. No, just the front part. Okay, so I'm just gonna hop into this right now. This comes off. Twist it this way. So twist it. Which way is that? So if you hold it straight, twist it right. Where's that left? For you guys, if you're facing this way, it's probably still right. Okay. So twist it right, come out, and you can pull this out, and it's not a minigun. It's mini. I'm not saying like a minigun, like I'm saying like this gun. It's like the front. You can't shoot with it. Look, there's no trigger. And the reason I'm messed up, I don't know why I said that. Okay. My nose is so itchy. Okay. So now, comment down below if this looks like a heavy shotgun. Wait, back up. Yeah. Heavy shotgun, come on. Heavy shotgun. Fortnite heavy shotgun. Come on. Really? That does not look like a heavy shotgun. Boom! Real life heavy shotgun. It scared me. Sorry, I'm out. I took it out. I'm stupid. Okay, so, and that goes back. You just, there's like a line, and then another line, and then you got these two coming out things. You just match it with this. Boom, beep, bop, bada bop, 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 boom. Oh, I forgot who made that. Okay, so let's put this back in, and what? Go in. Okay. So I said this part, right? Just this part? Hope it is. So that's mostly all about the front, except don't put your eye in it. I don't know why I did that. If that was a real gun, you would have died. So don't put your eye in a real gun. If it's a Nerf gun, I really don't care. If you shoot yourself with a Nerf bullet, just make sure it's not a real bullet, please. Okay. I do not want any more dying here. But suicide. I guess that's suicide. I don't know. Is that suicide or is it like a mess up suicide? I don't know. I don't know. Oh. Okay, so don't stand on this. One more rule. Don't stand on this. It's not a pogo stick, okay? You don't, or else you fall and break your leg. Why are you putting me? Okay. You guys are probably wondering, GG boys, why do you do that? Oh, Fortnite Pro. I don't know. I was just about to say unspeakable. Unspeakable. If you're watching this, I watch your daycare videos. the daycare videos, the Minecraft daycare videos. And Moose is my favorite. Well, sorry, unspeakable. I mean, you're cool too. I just like his voice. It's funny. And you're funny too. Because you said, because you guys were doing, I think. Guys, if you watch this video, if any of you, if you watch this video, even if it's Moosecraft or, George or Nathan / Unspeakable or Moosecraft, then please subscribe to my channel. I already subscribed to you too. So, yeah. And I saw... Okay, so, back to the gun. So, look at this. We're just going to go over the rest of the gun. Front, done. This. If you pull this back, there's a secret. Put it back. There is a thing that you put up in case colleagues. Why is this not coming out? Come out. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I know you're ready. Boom! Okay, I can't get it out. It's not coming out for some reason. What? Okay, there you go. So you just start to get it pulled open. Then you can see the boot and all that technology stuff. Even though it's not technology. Okay. Look back. It's like a secret, right? So it like blends in. Can't see it. You don't see a piece, like a piece of it. Can't see. Hopefully. Oh no, it's ready to fire. Okay. I don't know what this button does. It's not really a button, it's like a lever. I just pressed it. What does it do? Oh, it's a lock. Wait. Can't switch it back. What? Is it a clock again? Okay, there we go. No clock. Okay. You can't me, there is a clock. What? Please buy the gun. It's a good gun. Target, had it. Buy it. Now. Like right now. Oh no, it's in the same spot. Yeah. Oh no. Oh yes. Oh no. Breaking fire. I actually can't get it. Watch out. Okay. I actually can't get this. Why are you bullying me? Dinosaur, I'm doing the job. Ready? Skeleton dinosaur. Go. He did nothing. If you look away for 5 seconds, I give you V-Bucks. JK. Please subscribe to my channel. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, get this out. What the heck? Come on! It's so close. I can feel it. I can feel it. Of course I can feel it. Yeah. Come on! There, it's coming. Time. Yay! Okay, that was messed up. And done for the back. The back. Okay, so there's a button. Press it. That comes up. Now it's a freaking like. It's a big suppressed pistol. Boom! Watch out! Watch out! Okay. Please watch that. Wait. Is this something I did not see? Is it a magical portal? I don't freaking know. It's stuck. What is this? Guys, comment down below if you have this gun, and just if you have the gun, and see if you could open this. Try breaking it. Don't break it. It's a lot of money. And if you have it, you'll know how much money it is. And if you want to see how much money it is, it's called the Delta Trooper. Delta Trooper. You got that? Okay, go. Search it up on the computer. If you search it up on the computer, you have to subscribe to my channel. Most people are not going to do that. But, okay. And new videos are coming out every day. And I actually have 4 videos I haven't uploaded yet. Because I'm using camera, which I can't upload. Well, I can upload, but I don't know how to upload. My mom does. And I forgot to tell her. Okay. I'm going to pick up the bullets I shot and broke. It did break, but okay. Okay. Now, we're at the end of the video. I'm going to shoot for you guys. At the camera. I'm going to break the camera and kill you guys. Okay. Load it. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. It's a really strong gun, so watch out, watch out, watch out. That was kind of fun. I hit the camera, sorry camera. Okay, that's it. It's a good gun, right? It's fast. Okay, guys, so we're done. I'm gonna see you next time with a brand new video. Much more videos. 3, 2, 1, jump.